Welcome. I'm Mara Lynn, and I'm glad you're here. This is a time to slow down and to be with things exactly as they are. There's nothing you need to achieve, nothing you need to change, just to this moment and your gentle attention. Before we begin, take a moment to make yourself comfortable. You might be sitting or lying down. If you'd like, allow your body to settle into the surface beneath you. Let your shoulders soften. Let your hands rest easily. And if it feels okay, you can gently close your eyes or keep them open with a soft, unfocused gaze. Take a slow breath in and a long, easy breath out, not forcing anything, just noticing. Another breath, arriving and leaving. There's no special way your breathing needs to be. You don't have to make it deeper or slower. Just allow it to move in its own natural rhythm. As you settle here, you might notice sounds around you. Perhaps distant sounds or nearby ones. You don't need to label them, just letting them come and go, like waves moving through space. If a sound pulls your attention, that's okay. Awareness, noticing, awareness. Now, gently bring your attention to the feeling of your body, not the idea of your body, but the direct sensations. Where does your body make contact with the chair, the floor, or the bed? Notice the weight, the pressure, the support that's already here. There's nothing you need to hold up. If you notice areas of tension, see if they can be allowed to soften just a little. Not forcing relaxation, simply giving permission for things to be as they are. Now, let your attention move to your breathing. You might notice the breath at the nose, the chest, or the belly. Choose one place or allow your attention to move naturally. Feeling the breath arrive, feeling it leave. One breath at a time. Thoughts may begin to appear. Plans, memories, commentary. This is completely natural. When you notice that the mind has wandered, there's no need to judge it, or push anything away. noticing and gently returning to the feeling of the breath again and again. Each return is part of the practice. Sometimes mindfulness can feel very quiet. Other times it may feel busy. Both are okay. Mindfulness is not about creating a certain experience. It's about meeting whatever is here with a kind, steady attention. If emotions arise, you might notice where they show up in the body. Perhaps as warmth, tightness, or movement. You don't need to name them. Just allowing them to be felt without needing them to go away. If at any point this feels overwhelming, you can return to something grounding. The feeling of your feet, the weight of your body, the simple rhythm of breathing. You are always allowed to choose what feels most supportive. As you continue resting here, you might notice moments of stillness, brief pauses between breaths, small gaps between thoughts. There's no need to hold on to them, just noticing when they appear and letting them pass. Mindfulness is not about staying focused perfectly. It's about beginning again. Each moment offers a fresh start. Even now, you may notice subtle sensations you hadn't paid attention to before. A gentle pulsing, a feeling of warmth or coolness. Let your awareness be curious, but relaxed. Nothing to analyze, nothing to solve. If your mind drifts far away and you suddenly realize you've been thinking for a while, that moment of noticing is mindfulness. Gently escort your attention back like guiding a small child by the hand, patiently, without frustration. Now broaden your awareness slightly. Allow the breath, the body, the sounds, and the space around you to all be included. Nothing in the foreground, nothing in the background, just this open field of experience. You don't have to hold it together. Awareness is already happening. Rest here for a few moments. As we begin to come toward the end of this practice, there's nothing you need to wrap up or conclude. Simply noticing that this time of pausing has been happening, that you've been here. Begin to gently bring awareness back to your body. Notice where you are in the room, the temperature of the air. Perhaps wiggle your fingers or toes very softly. If your eyes are closed, you can allow them to open when you're ready, letting the light come back in slowly before moving on with your day. Take a moment to notice how you feel, noticing without needing it to be a certain way. This quality of gentle awareness is something you can return to at any time. One breath, one moment. Thank you for spending this time here.